So there's always dress stories where God has worked, and the last year there was a size 32 dress that was donated to us by a bridal shop. It was this gorgeous dress. It was $500. It was brand new, just all the sequins and everything on it, and it was just gorgeous. They just hadn't sold it in their store for over a year, so they passed it on to us with other dresses that were new. And the gal was saying, I don't know that you'll have luck with this, but here it's yours now. And I said, oh no, you just wait. God's going to have a girl for it. And just like every other year, he always had a girl for the specific dress. And the day of the event, she came in, and I saw her walking down the hall. I didn't see anything before, but I saw her walking down the hall in the dress. It fit perfectly. It might have just needed a little taking in on the side, maybe ½ inch, but otherwise it fit perfectly. She was smiling in it, and I shouted out to her. I was like, you're the one that God had for that dress. He chose you specifically for that dress. So I think I freaked her out a little bit, but she's like, I don't understand. But throughout the whole day, hopefully they do get to see that God has a presence in their life, and that He is providing this day for them.